David. I'm gonna have to move the balloon, otherwise that's all he's gonna want. You want some cake, David? Dig in, kiddo. You want some cake? There's ice cream also. We have vanilla ice cream.
No, thanks, honey.
Oh, miss it, man. There he goes. He is look. He's trying some peek.
Woo!
You think yum yum? Watch out with this one.
This is what you did last year.
Just use those, Andrew. Just use those.
Being very cute.
I'm gonna get the ice cream out.
Ooh, yeah, he is extraordinary.
He does. Is it good? I'm going for a bigger piece this time. Not messing around. Yum yum. Do you remember when you had your birthday cake? Or remember your ducky cake?
When we were walking around New York.
You're gonna have a birthday cake soon, Lillian.
Mickey Mouse was on He's flying.
How's that, David? You like it?
Serious cake, David.
Oh, Lily, you're a long way away
Came out
from cake,
with
David.
Brandon and Nicole wanted to get married. Nicole makes a big deal out of it, so she had the place. And Brandon and joking around. Over here.
Huh?
This is my brother. Let's move here. And I would always say, no, I don't know. I always say, oh, it's too small.
Yes, so we do.
I don't know.
Yeah.
And once I got back, and after 2 weeks, so
Can turn.